Today's news updates. Gehar pilot meets ahead of key session. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces taxpayers charter, moves to honor honest assets. PM becomes longest serving non-Congress Prime Minister. Landslip hit will be rehabilitated. CM. Governor Pinarayi Vijayan visit affected areas of Pettumudi, reviews salvage operations. COVID-19, 196 days since first confirmed case. India's tally climbs to 24 lakh. In all-time high. State reports 1,564 cases on Thursday. Russian coronavirus vaccine not in advanced stage, says WHO. Season heaviest showers in Delhi. Country braces for more rain in next 2-3 days. Rehearsal for 74th Independence Day in Kerala at Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium on today. India's 74th Independence Day rehearsal at Red Fort continues. News in headlines. Gehar pilot meet ahead of key session. Springing a surprise in Rajasthan, the BJP has decided to move a non-confidence motion against the Ashok Gehlot government after the rebellious faction led by Sachin Pilot called a truce. The decision also followed the Rajasthan High Court's decision to allow the 6 MLAs who switched sides from the BSP to the Congress to participate in the assembly session beginning Friday. Prime Minister announces taxpayers charter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday launched a transparent taxation honoring the honest platform that provides appeal and taxpayers charter. It came into force on Thursday itself. The factors appealing system will be available from September 25th. PM said that it was also a vital step in the country's development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi became longest serving non-Congress Prime Minister. He has also become the 4th longest serving Indian Prime Minister. Landslip hit will be rehabilitated. CM. On cabinet decision Kerala, the injured and survived will be rehabilitated. The education of children should be ensured. Pinarayi Vijayan along Governor Asif Muhammad Khan visited the landslip area yesterday. COVID-19, 196 days since first confirmed case. India's tally climbs to 24 lakh. Mask on Thursday, with just Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu collectively reporting over 15,000 fresh cases of COVID-19. A total of 8,30,391 tests were conducted across the country. In all-time high, state reports 1,564 cases on Thursday. Kerala records the greatest number of COVID-19 yesterday. It was highest in the single day. The state also reported 766 recoveries, 3 deaths. Season's heaviest showers in Delhi. Country braces for more rain in next 2-3 days in capital. Phase 2 human trials for Bharat Biotech vaccine to begin in September. As India races against time to bring a safe and efficient anti-coronavirus vaccine made indigenously within the country. Phase 1 of the human trials in most centers chosen for vaccine trials have concluded. India today has learned the centers are new racing for recruitment of candidates for Phase 2 human trials, which are scheduled to begin in the first week of September. Russian coronavirus not in advanced test, says WHO. India's 74th Independence Day in Kerala at Lal Bahadur Shastri. Rehearsal is done to be in the stadium of Lal Bahadur Shastri. India celebrates the 74th Independence Day tomorrow. Full dress rehearsal continues in Red Fort. Sports. England vs Pakistan second test advantage England as Pakistan struggled on rain hit day 1. Dramatic win for PSG. Messi holds the key for Barca. Lionel Messi might never have been faced with a more daunting task at Barcelona than engineering a victory against Bayern Munich here on Friday. Bayern and Barcelona meet in a high-profile Champions League quarter-final clash on Friday. Djokovic to play the US Open. Djokovic confirmed on Thursday he will play at the US Open. That's all for today. Happy Independence Day.